Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, your money disappears the moment your paycheck hits? You're not alone. Nearly 60% of people live paycheck to paycheck. But here's the truth. It's not just about how much you make. It's about how you manage it. Today, I'll show you a proven step-by-step plan to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap for good. Welcome to Money Matrix, the channel where we break down the money game so you can win. If you've been stuck in survival mode, this video will give you the exact steps to break free and finally start building real financial stability. Make sure to watch until the end, because Step 5 is the game changer most people overlook. Step 1. Know your numbers. Escaping the cycle starts with awareness. Most people guess at where their money goes, and that's the biggest mistake. Track your income and every single expense for 30 days. Apps like Mint or YNAB can make this easier, but even a simple notebook works. You can't fix what you don't measure. Step 2. Build a starter emergency fund. One unexpected bill, a car repair, a medical expense can wipe out your budget and push you deeper into debt. That's why you need a safety net. Aim for at least $1,000 in a basic emergency fund. It's not the end goal, but it's enough to stop financial setbacks from turning into financial disasters. Step 3. Cut hidden expenses. Here's where you start gaining traction. Review your bank statements for recurring expenses, unused subscriptions, overpriced phone plans, and eating out more than you realize. These silent money leaks can drain hundreds every month. Cut them and redirect that money toward your goals. Step 4. Tackle high-interest debt. Debt is the anchor keeping you stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, especially credit cards and payday loans with sky-high interest rates. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay minimums on everything, but attack the highest interest debt first. Every dollar you free from interest is a dollar you can use to build freedom. Step 5. Automate savings and investments. Once you've controlled spending and reduced debt, it's time to break free permanently. Automate your money. Set up direct deposits into savings or investments before you even see it in your checking account. Even $50 a month into an index fund compounds massively over time. The trick is consistency, not perfection. Let's recap the 5 steps to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. Know your numbers. Build a starter emergency fund. Cut hidden expenses. Tackle high-interest debt. Automate savings and investments. Follow this plan consistently, and you'll move from surviving to thriving. If this video gave you a roadmap out of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Money Matrix for weekly strategies to master your money. Remember, financial freedom starts with the steps you take today.